So in today's video, we're going to go over Android Auto and how to pair that up. So first things first, we're going to go to your iDrive. And we're going to go to communication and then mobile devices. Once you've clicked on that, on the right hand corner, you're going to see new device. So we're going to click that and then phone calls and audio. It's going to search for devices. So on your phone, you're going to want to go to your settings menu, open that up, and you're going to go to connections. Make sure your Bluetooth is on and your Wi-Fi is on. And then once you've done that, just go ahead and go to your Bluetooth menu. And the car should pick up your phone. So you can see there it's brought my phone up. And I go ahead and click on that. There'll be a few prompts on your phone. It's going to hit OK on all of those. You're going to see it loading on the screen. Now we can see it says continue in iDrive or use Android Auto. So we're going to select use Android Auto. It's going to take a few seconds to load. It may still ask you a few prompts. You're just going to hit continue on those and allow access to everything. As you can see, we have Android Auto up here now. So it's kind of laid out similar to CarPlay. Still have a lot of the same functionality. You got your voice command button here at the bottom. So if you need to make any kind of adjustments or want to use voice command to make a phone call, send text messages, even navigation, you can do all that from that. Or of course, you still do have your steering wheel button as well for voice command. Right above that, you have your notification button. That's going to be for any notifications you get, such as text messages or anything that you can respond to. At the top, we have the home button. So this is where you can find all of your apps that are supported on the car, such as Spotify, SiriusXM. You can cut it.